Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm to teach you how to upload I have to share Google Drive files. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So as you see here, we have a picture of Isagi from Blue Lock, and let's say I want to share it to a good friend of mine because of how funny it looks. So we're just gonna press these three dots here, and we're gonna press on share, then share. Then we're gonna put anyone with this link, and we're just gonna press on copy. And you can also see if you want them to comment on your thing or you want to remove the file. So we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna head over another account here, and we're just gonna paste it here. And as you can see here, I successfully shared my file on Google Drive. So my tips and tricks here would be that is to make sure that you change the general access first, because sometimes it puts restricted on it, and it's much harder for that person to access the file, and you need to approve it first. So let's go back to random account here, and see access denied. You need to request access first before you can access that file. So you need to request it first, and it's gonna pop up in your email right here. So it's important that you there we go, got it. We're gonna share it that way, then we're gonna put it again, then I got it successfully. So if you want to share it instantly to another person, you gotta make sure that you put anyone with the link, so they can access it faster, and it will not inconvenience you. But if you are very strict about that file, and you just want them to access it, you can also just do that. And yeah, guys, that's my general tip for you on how to share files in Google Drive. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.